Welcome to 33 Bleecker, a historic building in the heart of NOHO, Lower Manhattan. The building originally was a printing house in the earliest 20th century. It's very well known for its high ceilings, oversized windows, and you will see in the renovation we blended a modern touch with a historical building. We completed a very modern renovation in this historical building. As you can see, the entire space was reinvented. We took down all the walls, ceilings, back to the studs and framing to create an open space. Then we rebuilt everything from scratch. As you can see, the oversized windows, we had to keep the original design and go through landmark preservations with all the permitting process to get this approved with such a building. All the transitions between the existing beams and the new ceilings were covered with a metal black trim that blends in with any metal existing component. For the ventilation, we went with a blend between ceiling fans and a central HVAC system that was quite challenging to get permits for, to run a compressor up the roof in a historical building. So for the kitchen, the client wanted an open, seamless space with a peninsula island that extends into the dining room. Also chose a modern twist to the wallpaper that blends seamlessly with the countertop and cabinets, stainless steel appliances, built-in refrigerator. Moving into the home office, we got custom-made sliding doors for the home office that also blend seamlessly. Some drawers and shelves and a home desk that leads directly into the guest bedroom, keeping the brick wall, oversized windows and beams to blend in. So for the wood flooring, the client chose to go with an ash white plank wood floor directly from Vermont. It is durable, naturally light colored with a distinctive open grain pattern, very similar to oak. Going into the larger bathroom that also includes a shower, a freestanding bathtub, a washer dryer, choosing the same type of tiles with a different color tone. So for lighting, the client really wanted a bright space, so we added several recessed lights in the kitchen, a pendant light above the peninsula, and some more recessed lighting that flow into the living room.